Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle chili. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of green chilies, ensuring they are firm and blemish-free for the best results. Also, prepare your spices: turmeric, fenugreek, mustard seeds, and a pinch of asafoetida. Finally, have 150 milliliters of vinegar and 100 milliliters of cooking oil ready. These are the foundational elements for a delicious homemade pickle. Next, let's prepare our chilies. First, wash all 500 grams of green chilies thoroughly under running water, then dry them completely with a clean cloth or paper towels. This step is crucial to prevent any mold growth. After drying, carefully make a lengthwise slit in each chili, but be sure to leave the stem intact. Finally, toss the slit chilies with about 2 tablespoons of salt and let them sit for at least 2 hours. This draws out excess moisture. Now, let's move to the cooking phase. Heat 100 milliliters of your chosen cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon each of mustard and fenugreek seeds, allowing them to splutter. Then, introduce the salted chilies, cooking them gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften slightly. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, ensuring everything is well combined and fragrant. For the final steps, pour in 150 milliliters of vinegar, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer for about 5 minutes. This helps to preserve the pickle and infuse the flavors. Once simmering, remove the pan from the heat and allow the pickle to cool down completely to room temperature. Finally, transfer your delicious homemade pickle chili into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store it in a cool, dark place, and it will be ready to enjoy for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.